Python async await on condition being true. I'm trying to write an asynchronous method to run a query on Hive, using PyHive. Now, PyHive does support asynchronous querying. I have no idea how to wait for the query to finish without blocking. I can wait for the query to finish by repeatedly checking, but that's basically same as blocking. So I use async, but then I don't know how to await. I try the below code, but it throws type error column object and can't be used in await expression. Any workarounds? Basically I want a way where instead of saying await method call, I say await until this condition is true. PS, to clarify, cursor.execute select from mutable, async _ true, is not asynchronous in the Python sense of returning a coroutine/future. It simply starts a query and immediately returns, and you have to check the state to know whether the query is finished. So await cursor.execute select from mutable, async _ true, won't work.
You would have to actively await. I'm not sure if you can await cursor.execute select from mutable, async _ true, but if not, just use cursor.execute select from mutable, async _ true, how tough it would make sense to use it there. If it works with await in the executed, you may not need to use the while loop, since it should continue when the execute is finished.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.